Guys, this is a very exciting haul. I've been collecting these pieces all throughout winter and I've been saving them for this video to show you. I have some things that are thrifted. Actually, a lot of it's thrifted, some retail pieces, some dream pieces, some things that I made that I want to show you as well. Some things also like accessories that I found at an antique store, which I'm excited about. So jumping into the first thing, it's actually straight off my wish list. And I can't believe I actually thrifted this. I'm holding you in suspense because I haven't showed you these yet. But you know how I was talking about the garden clog? Well, I was at a Goodwill a few weeks ago and I saw these and like I wear size 11. So I'm never getting myself too excited when I see a pair of shoes that like even look remotely my size because I will make it work. These were amazing. They did have one other pair that were like a butter yellow and they weren't my size. I couldn't even make it work. But these are epic. These are like exactly what I've been wanting. They're very similar, I feel like, in shape to the garden air clogs. And I like the color. I like the green. I want them for on the days, first of all, for gardening, obviously. Second of all, one of my style columns for in like spring and summer is like effortless, artsy kind of girl. And I don't feel like I get to lean into that throughout the rest of the year. And I think these are going to really complete my selections for the spring and summer to just throw on with a dress, throw on with jeans and like a cute fun pair of socks like this. I actually just follow someone who styled a similar pair of clogs like this and I loved that. And so I'm stoked. I got them for $6. Look it, see that? They're Nora clogs. Anybody know anything about them? I don't know. This one you guys totally have already seen. I've showed it to you and I've been wearing it a ton since I got it, but this was like a very much so, it wasn't a random purchase, but it was like something that I've had on my list for a while that I'm like, if I find something like this, preferably thrifted, whatever, I'm going to grab it because I want this specific color of like pistachio in any sort of coat. And I was just like browsing, I think Nordstrom, and it came up and I was like, this is perfect. And I loved the buttons down the back. I think that's what really sold me on it. It's by Via Spiga, and I don't think I have anything else from this brand, but I've been styling it in so many different ways, specifically again because it's like a soft pastel, right? And I think a soft pastel with blacks and dark browns and things and dark grays have been really intriguing to me, and so I've been trying to lean into that. And it hasn't been warm enough yet to style it with like shorts or skirt and boots, but that's how I plan to. Again, that is my favorite way to style trenches, especially going in like the warmer part of the spring and summer. Something else, you've seen this one as well. I've worn it in a few videos, but this striped hooded top, it's like an athletic top, and I love the thought of layering it under things. I've been kind of wearing it like that, and it's been a really great piece. And I love that it has holes or finger holes here. That just makes my life. I really cannot get enough of black and white stripes. Black and white stripes, black and white polka dots. I just feel like it's so fun, and I love when I have it as like poking out through something, you know, not even just like wearing it as full, but like having the hood pop out of my jacket or having the actual like cuff pop out. I just think that that's such like a cute little touch, even with something like this, you know? But the fact that it has a hood really won me over. And this is something that I feel like I also was pinning so much on Pinterest that when I walked into the thrift store and saw it, I almost didn't believe it. I really love vintage Sandro pieces. I feel like they're just very structured while still being like able to be dressed casually, and that's something that I like. Also just love their quality, obviously. But I found this on eBay and the big buttons sold me on it. Like that's what really attracted me to it. I saw a big white button like this and I'm like, that's fun. It's like funky but very subtle, again because it's all white, and this is a little bit big on me. Should I shorten this? A little bit more cropped, but I think that that's okay. Again, this might bite me in the ass because I'm not very good at keeping my white pieces white, so I think I've steered clear of like buying white things in the past, but I'm gonna try again and be an adult and keep it clean. But I think it's so fresh and crisp. Gives me so many options of how to style it as well. And I think styling this in a more, again, toned down way with a skirt and boots or something of that sort. Brace yourselves. This one is a little bit different than the rest. Okay, this was also an eBay find, and I definitely put this in a vlog, but I haven't showed it, I don't think, in any other videos. Literally, and I don't think it is explainable if you don't get it, but I just love the idea of wearing this with a skirt, or I think a skirt would probably be best skirt, and I don't know how. I'm gonna try to style it for you guys while I'm overlaying this, but I love it. I love the sash. The sash is also removable, which I think is so cool. It has like this N on it, which I might put a few little patches over that just because, I don't know, just because. But I also am going to tailor it to be a little bit more fitted to me because right now it's a little bit big on me. But I got it for a great price on eBay. They had a ton at the time. I don't know if they still do, but I just think it's so fun. I think it's so fun and funky, and I might even wear it on my birthday this year. I'm not sure. It has like these big structured shoulder pads too, which I just love the shape of this. And I have been so inspired lately by like on-stage styling. Lady Gaga, Taylor Swift, Chappell Roan, I've been seeing a marching band style jacket, and I'm like, you know what? I just want to try it. And I will die trying. I'm very committed to this piece and wearing it. So stay tuned to see. Okay, a little accessory break in here. I found this at a thrift store, and this is actually, again, probably more summer, but I'm going to wear it spring and summer. And I love little bags like this. I actually have one right back there if you can see it. It's so good for even like when I'm wearing something more like this. I love the juxtaposition of that, and this is just so pretty. The like beads all along it, you can see them. Gorge. Just the way it shines, it shimmers. It's in fabulous condition, may I add. It's Bijou Turner. I don't know, but look it's like never been used. It's super lightweight too, and so I feel like even for a concert, that would be really cute, right? I'm just like reaching for anything that's very mermaidy. On a similar note to that, this skirt, I think you guys are gonna flip out. I think you might like this. It's this gold crinkle skirt, which I already love a crinkle skirt. And this has like sequins all over it as well, these yellow sequins. And I think that's something that I haven't expressed lately is how much I love this color. So you guys already know my obsession with like butter yellow. I love that, but I feel like it's really transitioned in the past like month or so to this almost antique kind of butter yellow, like a burnt butter, you know, caramelized butter. And I just think this is the most whimsical skirt that I own, to be honest. I love it. At first I was really unsure about it when I picked it up at the thrift store, and I was like, I don't know, like if I'm going to wear that, but after bringing it home, I've been thinking about it nonstop. And I feel like every time I see this color, I get new ideas for how to style it. Again, wearing it with black and like black flats or something like that. I don't know, to kind of, because again, I feel like this is a very summery skirt, and just with a black tank and black flats in the summer is gonna be perfect. We're still on thrifted things right now, and I wouldn't necessarily I've never really been super drawn to Mickey things or Disney things, but lately I've been really loving the vintage Mickey, and also I love a skull. And so I saw this, a skull, I meant skeleton. That sounded crazy. I loved this for all year round too, right? Like I'm obviously going to really get some wear in during October and things, but through the rest of the year, I really love this. I think it's because like I see this, I get reminded of Phoebe Bridgers, and I'm like, this is my Phoebe Bridgers Mickey sweatshirt now, and I haven't worn it yet, but I just think it's so cool. So I follow a lot of hikers and people that like do like fashion for hiking, and I always have seen the pants that can turn into shorts, and I've always loved that. And again, I'm not even like a hiker. Like I don't even know if there are like, whatever. That being said, I found these, and they might be a little bit small, I'm not sure, but I found them at the thrift store, and I was like, even if I just wear them to go on my walks that I fake being hikes because they're a little hilly. Anyway, they zip up halfway through. They're black. They're kind of just perfect. Butter yellow again. It's almost more like a limoncello yellow, and it's just a plain t-shirt, and I just have been really loving these again for like layering. If you can see, I have like a tank top over it, and so I think kind of styling it like this is kind of in my brain a little bit, and I just really liked the color, and I liked that it's a little bit small for me, so I wanted it to be a little bit more fitted. And lastly, from the thrift store, I found these Trek pants, which I have said I'm like done finding track pants. I have enough. I wear them into the ground, but I saw this colorway and I just couldn't say no. I love a good blue, obviously, and this was that to me, so I was like, this is going to be perfect. I get my most use out of track pants in the spring and fall maybe, but you could technically even like fold them up to make them capris, which is ugly. I'm not saying it's not, but it is functional, and so very excited about this. I also have this dress I'm going to add in. It was gifted from Christy Dawn, and I have been such a yearner of a Christy Dawn dress for so long that I was so excited when they reached out and they sent over this dress. This is how I styled it, but I wanted to put it in here just because it is part of my spring wardrobe and I'm very excited to wear it. And I do have a code. I'm normally bad about telling you guys, but if you want it, I'll link it down below. But anyway, next up, you guys have seen this one a ton, okay? This is from Sezane. I've been eyeing this for so long. I finally just bit the bullet and grabbed it because I love my Clyde trench coat from them. I wear it constantly, and that's like the long trench coat version of this. And then I chose this short one, which I can't remember if it was the Cameron one or what. The shape of it, I love. The color of it is so good. I've worn it like so many days in a row lately, and it's just, I think it's like the perfect short trench. I feel like I've been talking about wanting a short trench coat for like years. Two of the buttons did come off, which is abnormal for Sezane. Like I ride hard for Sezane, but I might have just gotten a bad thing, but I've been really interested in a ruffle collar, but in a button down still to layer under. I have like vests and things and coats that I just want to like pop out of a little bit. I feel like that's so, I kind of think of it as 18th century like garnishing, and I guess that's just from like outfit garnishing. Is that a term? I don't think so, but I love the idea of it. And so I went through my likes on Sezane, and I was like, I swear I liked one at some point, and this has been on my liked for so long. I finally just picked it up, and I was like, I think that this is going to be so good. I forget what the name of this is. The sleeves or the cuffs, they're huge. The actual collar, it's not too much, but it's just enough, and it's going to be perfect and lightweight for like into the summertime too, to even wear with like a swimsuit. I think that would be kind of cute, right? Maybe. And then this one was specifically gifted to me from Sezane, but this top, I love this so much, and I'm really excited about it because I've been super into plaids, as you guys know, and I just thought that this was like the perfect plaid top. It's so cutesy prairie, again, garden girl, and it still has like that vintage touch, and it's just something that, again, I've had on my wish list for a while as far as like tops go. I'm never gonna be able to find the screenshot, but I saw this gorgeous singer on TikTok wearing some sort of plaid top of this caliber, and I was like, ever since then I've been thinking about it, and I just think it's the perfect summer staple, especially, but wearing it into spring, like under trench coats and things, I think this will be perfect. And I just love the neckline. I love a neckline like this, you know? So I'm stoked. The color is gorgeous. It goes with my clogs too. And then do you guys see the earrings that I'm wearing? They're actually clip-ons. I have my ears pierced, but I went to the antique store and they had a ton of really good jewelry, which they don't always have at my favorite antique store, but these are little pearly. Okay, they obviously reminded me of the Simone Rocha beading everything, like the pearls, and I thought that they were perfect for that. And so I grabbed them, and they're clip-ons. They're actually like really great and structurally sound, and so I have those in today, and they're perfect. And then I also found these, which are very art pop to me, and I loved the color. Again, trying to collect more pink, and I saw Dara wearing a similar pair of earrings. They were like big and white, I think, maybe, and I just loved the kind of like pop graphic art feature that they gave to like a real life outfit, and I thought this pink pair were fun. I have like one, I feel like I have a few that are similar to this, but not pink. So these are going to be exciting to play with. They have like a little divot in them. They're not totally flat, which I kind of love about them. And as far as some things that I've made, I feel like I haven't really showed you these that much. I'm so into a crown, okay? And I have had so many scraps laying around of fabric I'm trying to get through. And so I figured, why don't I make something? And so I did. It's so fun. I think that this is the one that I'm keeping. I have a ton, okay, because I was just having a lot of fun going through my scraps. So I might put these on my Depop in case you guys are curious about them or like interested in one. But they're super fun. And here's this black and white polka dot one, and they all have like this lace. Most of them have the number 21 on them just because that's my favorite number, and so I just kept going with that. There's no real significance other than my birthday. Put together a bunch of different fabrics and making them work. Like this is like a polka dot there and then the stripe on the other side. I don't know. I got to play with colors a lot with this and patterns. I don't know what attracts me to a crown so much, but last year I wore my first crown on my birthday. And then after that I was like, I don't think it needs to be your birthday to wear a crown. Like you can just wear it going out and having fun, hanging out with your friends, sitting at home, whatever it is. And they look really cute in pictures. Like they add that extra spice to an outfit. And then obviously I made my apartment coat, which I have been wearing and I will continue to wear until it gets way too hot for it. But as for now, that's part of my spring wardrobe. And then lastly, I have 2 pairs of jeans, which again, I'm always forever on the quest for a good pair of jeans. And I've tried Universal's other pieces, but never their denim. And they had sent me an email asking if I wanted to try some. I was like, I've always heard really good things about them. And so they sent over a couple. So these are gifted, just saying. I am so obsessed with specifically this black pair. They're a wide leg and a high waist. And I think I sized up maybe 2 sizes in them because I wanted a baggy pair of jeans. They're so comfortable as well. And then I have this blue pair, which is also a wide leg and a more of a mid waist, I think, and I did size up in these as well just because I wanted, not even because I wanted baggy jeans like the last ones, I want jeans that are long enough to kind of cuff over my ballet flats. I don't know why, it's so hard for me to find. I'm only 5'8", which so I don't consider myself like tall or anything, but for me it's been hard to find, and so these have been great and I love them. I actually think those are all of my pieces that I wanted to share with you. I have a few more things that I'm making or in the process of making right now, so stay tuned for that. But I feel like I've actually been really good about this lately, about collecting for the next season. So throughout the winter, I was kind of thinking more about spring fashion and kind of gathering for that. And then now I'm thinking about summer so that when summer comes around, I feel good about I've kind of liked that. I know a lot of you probably already implement that, but that was like a new concept for me that I really like. Wait, how could I forget? I also found this brooch, and it is a cursive J, which obviously is my name, and I just think it goes on everything so cute. It's kind of subtle, but I like it. It's gold. I wish I could have found a silver one, but I'm not complaining. So anyway, those are the new things in for my spring wardrobe. Let me know what you've gotten recently, or if you'd like, I think I'm gonna do like an outfits video. Do you guys want that? Spring outfits that I'm excited to wear? Because I've been conjuring some up. It's so pretty out right now that it like makes me want to get dressed for spring, you know, and it's like that. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys next time. Thanks for watching, and make sure you're subscribed also if you are not already, and if you want to see these things styled even more. And I'll shut up. I'll talk to you later. Bye.